So to get this upper radiator hose replaced, you can see right here, you see the leak right there. Let's go ahead and replace that. This ring here, you're gonna pull this out. That comes out. We let that hose down. Do the same thing for this hose. Okay, we'll pull this out. I had to go get a pick. Get the pick and get under here. Get a hook under here. And with the hook under, you just pull straight up. So what I find is people have hard time getting this back away from the radiator. What I'm going to do is get a hook under this. Let's place some penetrant in that gap so that it can come out easily, and then slowly manipulate it to come out. But we'll start with the one in the middle. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's see if this is an easy manipulation. I don't think so. Yeah, it is. All right, we got some collecting thing there to collect that. Pull that off. Save as much of the fluid as possible. We're gonna try this one since that one came off. By the way, this is the part where people break off the neck of the radiator. Use the flathead. I'm losing this up. Manipulate this out. Let's see if we can. Most people on YouTube will tell you that this just comes off, but it doesn't just easily come off like that. So we pick under there and get some of the crud out. Gently does it. Oh, I want to break the radiator neck, which I think I did. Radiator's broke. Yep. Now let's pick under there and get him out. Crack. Let's take this one off. Put some grease on it. Let's put some grease right in there to make it easy for it to go in. And I'll put this on first. I'll push that in. Stick this onto the new one. Snaps in place. And then just manipulate this. Just snap that on. Manipulate this back on. Just close it. That makes it easy. Closing in this to get the air out. Okay. Once the fluid goes in, you gotta close it back up. Yeah. Let's see.